Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by proving you legally control the device. Immediately gather a purchase receipt, serial number, and the account email tied to the device. Once done, contact the device owner or administrator and request their cooperation. That is the simplest, legitimate route. Make sure to document dates and communications so you can show good faith attempts. Do not try undocumented tricks. Instead, focus on verifiable ownership and authorization before proceeding with support options. Next, escalate to official support for the device platform. Explain the situation concisely and provide the proof you collected. Manufacturers require identity verification for account or restriction changes. Once you submit documents, follow the support agent's instructions and tracking steps. Make sure to note case numbers and response timelines, and be patient. Security checks can take time. Avoid third-party bypass services. They often void warranties and can be fraudulent or illegal. Finally, implement only the resolution the official channel authorizes. If a verified account recovery or supervised reset is provided, back up any accessible data first and secure all linked accounts. Once complete, change passwords and enable two-factor authentication to prevent recurrence. If support cannot assist because you lack proof, accept that without owner permission, there's no legitimate bypass. Instead, obtain written authorization or explore legal avenues. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.